Namo Namaha. On the occasion of Indian Republic Day, I wish to share a prayer from the Rig Veda. This is a mantra of unity and a prayer for working towards a common goal. The meaning of this mantra is very profound. I hope to make all Indians aware of this mantra. And if this mantra keeps playing in our minds, then surely we all can take India to greater heights. In short, the mantra says, let us move in harmony. Let our thoughts be similar and let our prayers be the same. A more detailed meaning will appear below each verse of the mantra when it is being recited. This is in the last sukta in Rig Veda. It is in the 10th mandala and is the 191st sukta. I hope you will share this with as many people as possible so that we all are filled with the vibrations of this mantra. Before going into the mantra, here is what Sri Jagadguru Chandrasekharendra Saraswati of Kanchipuram, who is also known as Paramacharya or Mahaperiva, has told about this mantra. The concluding sukta of Rig Veda contains a hymn that should be regarded having a higher significance than the national anthem of any country. It is a prayer for amity among all nations, a true international anthem. May mankind be of one mind, it goes. May it have a common goal. May all hearts be united in love, and with the mind and the goal being one, may all of us live in happiness.
Om sangachadwam samvadadhvam samvo manansi janatam deva bhagan yatha purve sanjanana upasate samano mantra samiti samani samanam manas sahachittamesham samanam mantramabhimantra evaha samanena vo havisha juhomi samani va aakutiH samana hridayani vaha samanamastu vo mano yatha vassu sahasati. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.